All right, Elena, thanks so much. So if you've been thinking about a change, now is the time to get your fall flowers planted. It's also a good way to add some color to your yard. So Simone is with the Garden Guy out in Gilbert to show us some of the flowers that will last you all the way through April. What's going on, Simone? Good morning.
Hey, good morning, guys. Yeah, it is always a great time to think about home improvement, yard improvement, maybe a little gardening. So we are so excited to be with the garden nerd, Michael, this morning. Thank you so much for having us.
Yeah, thank you. Now is an awesome time of year where we can plant lots of great stuff, colorful stuff.
I know you have so many awesome options. So walk us through what the best choices are for people who are looking to add a little color to their garden.
Yeah, so first of all those flowers that you planted in the summer, like the vincas and the zinnias, they're going to start to die because it's going to get too cold. So now's the time to get those things out and plant all these awesome, colorful things. So let's start here with these. These are petunias, right? And you hear the name petunia and you see them and they look kind of delicate and you're like, oh, I don't want to plant these, they're not going to survive. These are actually some of the easiest, most durable flowers to grow here in the valley. Right now is the time to plant them. And I only have, let's see, we have white, purple, and red. There's actually like 5 other colors as well.
Wow.
So you can plant tons of these. You can put them real close together. Like you can see this one's in a pot. It looks really good. These go great in the ground and also in a pot.
Okay, awesome. Now what do we have in the middle of the table?
Yeah, so these are actually probably my favorite fall and winter flowers. These are geraniums. So they have these cool green leaves, but then they sprout up and have these cool flower clusters. And these have tons of colors as well. They have white. This is like a cool variegated one. They have the red. These love sun. These can get, actually all of these should get about 6 to 8 hours of sun each day. A lot of people, they say, oh, it's Arizona. The sun is too hot. Let me plant these in the shade. If you plant these in the shade and they don't get that full 6 to 8 hours of sun, they're not going to flower, they're not going to grow great. So 6 to 8 hours of sun is what you want to shoot for.
Okay, awesome. And here on the end, what do we have?
Yes.
These are beautiful.
Yes, so these are, I just said these are my favorite. These might be my favorite. They're all my favorite.
You have multiple favorites.
Exactly. So these are snapdragons, and you can see these come in tons of different colors as well. If you're from any other part of the country, you're probably used to foxglove. These are very, very similar, how they grow tall. So these can give you some dimension in your garden if you want a tall back piece. These are small right now because they're starts, but with time they're going to grow pretty tall, get 2 to 3 feet tall. So you can put these kind of in the back behind everything and get some good dimension in your yard.
Just seeing the 7-day forecast on the First Alert forecast, we have some really nice temperatures coming up. So when do you recommend people get out there and what tips do they need to know?
Yeah, now is the time. Like now is the time. Exactly. Now's the time really to plant anything in the valley. Perfect time of year. This is our best planting window. So get out there, add some nice compost, some nice soil, and get these in the ground along with anything else that you want to plant. Fruit trees, shade trees, anything like that. Now's the time to get them in the ground.
I think people can be a little intimidated, but as long as they kind of seek out assistance, where can they go to ask you questions, pick your brain, and kind of just get a little bit of help?
Yeah,
it can be scary.
Yeah. So first of all, don't be intimidated with these ones. I picked these ones because they're easy.
Perfect.
Get them in the ground, they're going to grow. If you go to thegardennerd.org or follow me on Instagram or YouTube at thegardennerd, I offer tips, I have videos, you can message me. I'll make sure that you have everything you need to be successful and to have lots of fall color through the fall into the spring.
Okay, you're so knowledgeable. So is it good that people have this resource? Thank you so much as always. We really appreciate it. Always great to see you guys. Be sure to check out the Garden Nerd. Pick some delicious and beautiful fall colors. I love it because it looks like something you want to eat, right?
It's awesome,
it's
right?
Like,
yes.
I seriously see these flowers and I'm like, wow, it is so gorgeous. You can have beautiful flowers just like this right here in Arizona. So Colton, we will send it back to you. Perhaps a little inspiration for the garden.